Chineke kpọkwa ụlọ ọkụ idiot legodi ka ịdị echi basket
Ogini kwa nini?
onye iberibe onye ara legodi oh idiot akpọrọ m ga ebe enyi ya nwoke so I know I dey conversation na-ekwu okwu ha jụọ am I in relationship people say mba I know I'm in relationship I jụọ why relationship is not for me it's not working out for me ha say no because of am eji ego tọ na-agbagbu unu onye nunu bụ ndị na-eji ego idiot this idiot even have mouth to tell me that I cannot afford a woman that is the reason why I'm not in relationship you want me to afford a woman what are you doing what can you afford idiot see this is my personal life I wanna mature about relationship I wanna mature about relationship but it's not my choice idiot I told you I said that I'm broke I'm poor that's why I cannot afford the wig and Chineke kpọkwugu n'ọkụ ọnụ ka kwunu n'Igbo ozu ndị onye nwụrụ anwụ come and get away is everybody